אם אתם רוצים, יש פה שום כזה. אני מאוד אוהב. You want some garlic? To put some garlic?
No, thanks.
So we begin with the unboxing of Tamir's Steeldive. As you can see it here in this package. But let's rip it like animals. And what? This is the first. I think it's small. It's probably the strap. They have nice straps. What color did you get of strap?
Black.
Black. Once you go black, you don't go back. No, with joke. We're on a joke. Let's see. Those Steeldives, they wrap things like they aren't made out of steel. Wow. It even came with some tool.
Nice.
And some extra spring bars. Let's have a look at it. Maybe show it around. Ah, that's a nice logo. They put on a nice logo. If it focuses on the logo. Yeah, I guess you see. Nice quality strap.
Yeah.
By the way, I'm sporting the Steeldive of my own, but on we go with the unboxing. So let's see. You don't want to unbox this yourself?
Yes.
Yes, it's your watch.
Give me the respect.
Okay.
It's packed really good.
Yeah. They don't want you to have.
Damage on the watch.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice. Nice plastic box.
Yeah.
It's a very impressive box.
Yeah.
A carrying
Really
box.
nice experience to unbox this.
Yes.
This is the box.
Yeah.
Plastic box.
Steeldive. Nice. Open it from here. Okay. Nice. Okay. Let's see.
And there is handles.
Yeah, it's the clips that
Clips.
keeps it closed. Yeah.
The clips. Yes. 1, 2, 3.
And
Four.
yeah.
And we open. And here is this.
This is to make the bracelet shorter.
And it comes with a warranty.
Warranty card and a manual.
And
And
this
now-
is the watch. I'll be carefully. I'll be cautious.
You don't have to be careful. This is a diver's watch. It's not that
You're right.
gentle.
You are right.
It's
Very
not.
beautiful watch, congratulations.
Congratulations,
Happy,
dear.
happy.
Hoping you will see many happy hours with it.
Yes, we are happy that you are happy. Your happiness
Oh,
is our
it's
happiness.
stuck.
Yeah, this is such a
Cheers.
good friend. Cheers with this.
I think it's stuck.
No, it's not stuck. It's not
Oh.
stuck. Yeah, do it gently. Wow. I mean,
It's a view.
wow.
Blue one.
Look at that. I mean, the rays of light on the. Wow.
The sunburst died?
Sunburst dial. Show this the watch.
Can I hold it?
Sure, my friend.
Wow. Okay, these guys, this one, look at the sunburst effect. If you can see it in this lighting.
Yeah, they can catch.
Actually, it's very impressive. It's very impressive.
Good.
It's well done, I think. No, the watch is.
Look
I
at
want
my-
one myself.
You want one myself? I knew it.
Congratulations.
Next time there will be such a sale because we grabbed it. I got one and Tamir got one, and it was practically a steal. It was like $50 with extra rubber bracelet. So I think that we'll size up the bracelet and we'll show you some wrist videos of Tamir with it in a couple of seconds. We'll cut.
מעולה.
A few minutes later.
So we're in the dark room and we're going to see the loom of Tamir's new watch. Let's see.
Wow.
Wow, 1 second, let me charge it. I'm going to charge it a bit.
That's impressive.
That's impressive. That's
Lumicious.
one piece of loom. Now let's see. Oh. But if you use the flash, they don't see. They don't see the light. I will charge it again for you, so you have it as shiny as it can be. That's one heck of a lamp. Now come, Tamir, show us it in your living room next to the ducks. Do some Steeldive modeling next to the ducks. No, you stand here, and I will photograph you with the watch, with the ducks. No, you don't have to put your arm like that. No, if here, stand next to the ducks. Yeah. Wow. Very beautiful watch, I must say. You can see the ray of light. Wow.
Congratulations.
Are you happy?
Very happy, I'm excited, I'm terrific.
Great success. Let's go and have smoke a cigarette.
Yeah, mission accomplished. Thank you.
Mission accomplished.
For orchestrating all of this.
Thank you, it's been a pleasure.
And we are
Sign up.